Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to generate random numbers in Excel. Please like and subscribe and let's get started. Let's say we need to generate 10 numbers in the range from 0 to 100. The range between function is perfect for solving this problem. We type the function and use the number 0 as the first argument and the number 100 as the second. Press enter and drag the function down and 10 random numbers are received. If we need to get 10 two-digit or three-digit numbers only, then for the first case we use the arguments 10 and 99. And we also pull the formula down. And for the second case we use arguments 100 and 999. Everything is clear with this, but sometimes you need to generate fractional numbers. To do this, we use the rand function, which generates random values greater than 0 and less than 1. And we can always round up the resulting values using the increase decimal and decrease decimal buttons. If you need to generate fractional numbers with an integer part, then the formula changes slightly. Let's say you need to generate numbers with a fractional part from 0 to 10. We simply multiply the rand function by 10 and get a range of random numbers from 0 to 10. And if the integer part of the number is fixed, for example 7, and the fractional part needs to be generated, then in this case we simply add the number 7 to the rand function and get a random fractional number. These functions recalculate the values each time the worksheet is changed, so it's recommended to copy the generated values and paste them into other cells as values. And that's it, now we know two more.